Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change aspect ratio of our phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, open camera on your phone. Go to camera, and here aspect ratio is 9:16. Okay, if you change to horizontal position, that is landscape, 16:9 will be used. Okay, so for portrait 9:16, and for landscape 16:9. This is standard one. And if you want to change aspect ratio, click on 9:16, and here other options available. First option is 3:4. Okay, 3:4 is used. That is 3 in horizontal and 4 in vertical. Okay, you can take a photo. So photo is of 3:4 of 4 aspect ratio. Okay, then if you click on 1:1 square photo, you can take. Okay, both sides, on all sides are equal. Okay, here it is like a square, so it is called square photo. Then if you click behind, and if you click on full screen of your phone will be used. Okay, that is this is horizontal, this is vertical. Okay, total length and width will be used for taking photo. Okay, so this is full size photo. For size is about your phone size. Okay, so in this way you can easily change aspect ratio for photo in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.